Rachel, I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a cute and colourful turtle painting. I've had a lot of requests to create a turtle tutorial ever since I painted my first turtle painting a couple of years ago, so I thought it was definitely time to make this video for you. This is a shortened video, but if you would like to watch the full-length tutorial where I talk you through everything step by step in real time, then head to my Patreon, which is Rachel Froud Art. I'll add a link in the description of this video. The full video is over 2 hours long and you can learn exactly how to paint this turtle from start to finish. Turtles are such amazing animals to paint. I feel like they have a calmness about them, and replicating that in a painting is really enjoyable. It's also really fun to make them really colourful, which is my favourite thing to do. I started out by painting the blue background to look like the ocean. I wanted it to look like the sun is shining through the water and lighting up the turtle's shell, so I used lighter turquoise paint at the top of the canvas and darker blue paint at the bottom. I used a large paintbrush to create wavy lines and textures to mimic the movement of the sea. I don't like to include too much detail in the backgrounds of my animal paintings, as I like to make the animal the centre of attention, and I don't want the background to be too distracting. I'm also quite impatient and I usually want to get started on the animal as soon as I can. I wanted to use a mix of warm and cool colours in this turtle painting to really emphasise the colours and make the painting stand out. I used cool blues in the background and then contrasted them with warm yellows, oranges and pinks in the turtle's shell. This adds contrast and makes the colours appear more saturated, whilst also giving the effect of the warm sunlight shining on his back. I love to play with light and colour when painting animals, and experimenting with these techniques is always a lot of fun. I really love painting underwater animals, as I feel really free to experiment with lots of colours and choose a really vibrant colour palette. I definitely want to paint more underwater animals, so if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the videos. I used acrylic paint to create this painting. I love working with acrylics as it's so easy to build up layers. I love to work in layers as I feel like it takes the stress out of the painting and allows me to have a lot more fun with the process. I don't have to worry too much if it isn't looking perfect, as I can just come back in the next layer to fix any mistakes. This is really important to me because even though being an artist is my full-time job, I still want it to feel like it did when painting was my hobby. I don't want to lose the enjoyment that I get out of painting, so if I can find a way to make the process as stress-free as possible, then I'll definitely do it. The canvas I'm working on is 11 by 14 inches, which is a lovely little size to work with. I often paint on really huge canvases that are bigger than me, which you can see in a lot of the videos on my channel, and I absolutely love painting big. However, there is something really nice about painting on a small canvas. I love that I can get the painting completed from start to finish in one sitting with one lot of paints. A huge canvas can take me days or even weeks to finish, whereas this painting only took a few hours. It's so nice to see the image in my head come to life in such a short amount of time. I actually painted a really similar turtle painting a few years ago, which was one of my favourite paintings that I've done, so it was really fun to replicate the same idea into a much smaller painting. I also find it easier to add more texture onto a smaller canvas. I love it when you pick up an original painting and you can actually see the paint and the brushstrokes coming out of the canvas. This is something that my customers have mentioned as well. It's such a nice reminder that this is handmade and one of a kind, which makes it even more special. I often use acrylic mediums to help to make my paint even thicker to create more texture. This is definitely one of my favourite colour palettes to work with. I love to use different colours in different paintings, but I have definitely noticed that I've got some favourite paint colours that always seem to end up on my palette even if I'm not planning to use them. Most of my paintings have some shade of pink, yellow and blue in them, and I also feel like I'm always drawn to artworks that also include these similar colours. It always makes me wonder if other people see these colours the same way that I do, or if we all have our own individual experience. I think that's what I enjoy so much about working with bright colours, is not knowing exactly how someone else is seeing them, and I find that really exciting. If you like painting underwater animals, I've also painted a colourful jellyfish, an octopus and a whale. And I've also created a tutorial showing you how you can use a mixture of inks and paints to create a really cool underwater effect for the backgrounds of your paintings. I'll add the links to these in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching the process of this colourful turtle painting. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this.